Hello and very good afternoon. My name is Supriya and today I'm here to tell you that why I have switched myself from full time to cap 04. So there were many reasons behind this decision. The very first reason was this that in order to attend your classes, what you were asked to do is you have to sit long hours, like from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. You have to sit in front of the screen and you have to attend your classes with full focus because even if you are missing any of the topics, so that can lead to a great drawback because every day new topic were being taught in full time. So it was very important to complete the assignment on the same day, and the assignments were not just limited to one topic only. There were three things which were running parallel. I mean, there was JS, there were DSA, and there was English as well. So all these things were running parallel to each other, and we were just asked to cope up with all the concepts every day. And being a student from non-coding background, it was very tough for me to cope up with all the concepts at just one go, because every day a new topics just arrives, and even if you are not clear with the previous topic, so definitely you are not going to grab the new topic which is being taught in the class. So this was the drawback, that's why I just switched it. And the second thing was this that there was no job guarantee. I mean, they will teach you and they don't give you any written guarantee that they would be providing job in full time. And not so in cap, because in cap they will give you a written guarantee that after completion of 1 year you will be getting an internship, and while doing internship you can also switch to job. If you are willing to do job, you can. So this is the good thing about cap. And the third thing which I want to tell you is this that in cap there is no such pressure that three things are running parallel and your classes are of 12 hours, and you are asked to give your 100% on all. There is no such foundation like this, because there is a class of 4 to 3 hours, minimum 3 to 4 hours, just like this. And few assignments are there which are being taught, which are being discussed in next class, not so in full time. Because in full time what happened that in order to clear your doubts related to assignments, you were asked to, I mean, there was a IA session which was conducted, and in that only the questions were discussed. Only when they were permitted to discuss the question, so then only they can discuss the question, otherwise they don't. So this was also the drawback of full time. And in cap what they're offering is they are not putting such pressure on students, and also they are teaching each and every concept with very politeness, and they're going slow, so that if you're from non coding background, you can just grab all the concepts in just one go, two go, or three go. They are there to help you at any cost they can. So I joined this program from the reference, and I got the discount of 2000 rupees. That's why I just joined it. The fourth reason why I joined this cap, because I found one benefit, which is this that in full time what happened, that if you are doing, I mean, if you are giving your 100%, if you're doing all the activities, if you're performing all the things very well, and if however if you fail to perform good in unit 6, and if you're not able to cope up with all the concepts, so what they do, they straight away terminate you, because there is first of all no acing till unit 3. So it is very tough for any student to perform very good till unit 3, because it requires great knowledge. Because till unit 3 they teach you dom, and they teach you everything like JS, and deep they teach you JS working and all. So it is just not possible for any student to cope up with all the things at just one go. So this was also the drawback of full time. And if you're failing, they will straight away terminate you, because what they do, they set a margin, and if you're performing well, if you're performing up to that particular setted margin, then also you are promoted to next unit, otherwise you will be terminated, because there is no acing till unit 3. So that's why if you're performing well, and if you're not able to cross that margin, you would be terminated. Moreover, they ask you to sign up PAP in full time. So if you are not if you're not able to do assignments, if you're not able to attend the classes on time, if you are, I mean, being marked absent, so they will just ask you to pay a fine like 50,000 or 1 lakh. It totally depends on which unit you are. So this was the drawback, because there can be family issues, there can be many issues. So this was the thing, this was a drawback. And if you are being caught in the plagiarism, then definitely they will ask you to leave, and you cannot join it again. So this is also the thing that is in the full time, not so in cap, because in cap what they do, teachers are there to help you. Teachers won't terminate you. There is no foundation of attendance. If you are failing to attend the class on time, what you can do, you can just go to the recording, and you can just clear your concepts, and after clearing you can just complete your assignments. And if even if you are not able to complete the assignments, you can ask the teacher. They will help you in every way. They I mean, they explain you each and every question line by line. So this is the very good thing about cap. And I compared both full time and cap, like they both almost require the same time of completion, because in cap what they're offering you after 1 year a internship with a job, right? And if even if you are completing 7 months goal in full time, suppose, so they are not immediately offering you a internship or job. After that you have to complete the revision module, and they will ask you to prepare for interview, and they will ask you to sit in front of the company. Even if you are sorry, only when you are able to clear the interview, then only you will be getting a job. So it does not happen just immediately after it. It really requires time of 2 3 months, maybe it requires more time, because I saw that many students were there who were not able to clear the DSA, so they were suffering, because 1500 students are still pending. In pending, they are working, and they are not able to get the job, so they are still in the Masai. So almost it is a course of 1 year only, because 7 months just requires you to be in units, and after that the revision. Your 8 and 9 months are gone, and after that 3 months more, then only you will be able to get a job. So it is almost the same, because in cap also what is happening, after 1 year you will be getting an internship, a guaranteed internship and a paid internship. So that's why I have joined cap. And moreover, you can just do a job also if you are willing to, because cap does not ask you to I mean, attend the classes from 11 to 11. It is just 2 to 3 hours classes. You can attend it. If you are failing to attend, you can look after the recording, as I already told. So that these were the reasons why I joined cap. So if you are willing to build your career in coding, so you can just check the description. There are many links, so you can go through. And if you want a discount of 2000, you can join a cap from the reference, and the link is in the description. So that's it from my end. Thank you, and have a very good day ahead.